everything when it comes to cars.
Build your car how you like it because at the end of the day, it's your car. You know?
That's the right way first.
Yeah. If you do, you lose money every time.
Right.
Yeah.
This started off sad.
Hey.
Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
Big Daniel, Import Life Media. You already know what time it is. Out here in LA at the Convention Center for the Import Expo. And let's go up to random people and ask them random questions and see what they talking about. Let's get it. All right, tell me your name and how people can find you.
Romero, you can find me at modjunkiesmotorsports.com.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay, here's a question. Now, when building a car, what's the proper order? In terms of paint, interior, suspension, motor,
That's a good
music?
question. I guess it
Because-
depends on which way you're trying to lean on, I guess. You know, either performance-wise or exterior-wise. So depending on, of course, if it's for like a track, then go performance. And then after that, exterior-wise.
Because you know some people, they can do their interior,
Uh-huh.
but they end up tearing it up because they have to put speakers, or they do their trunk and later on they go air ride, you know? So do you think that like paint should be last possibly, or
Yeah,
what
that
order?
maybe, like I said, depends on what you're doing. Looks is everything when it comes to car. You know?
So it depends on the build.
Yeah, depends on the build. Yeah.
Okay, so now, speaking of builds, when people are building a car, what's a common mistake that a lot of people make?
To me, in order to build a car, I always tell people, do it right the first time. Get what you want. Don't just half-ass it.
Because a lot of people like to buy stuff just to have it,
Yeah.
but it's wrong and they end up spending money twice.
Exactly.
Okay, last question. Bags or coilovers?
As you can see, bags.
All right, one more time, your name, how people can find you.
My name's Romero. You can find me at Showcase or Mod Junkies Motorsports on IG.
Perfect. Thank you. I did.
Tell me your name and how people can find you.
Or I'm not on social media. I deleted my you know, but yeah.
Hey, this started off sad.
Hey, I got to get off that. So yeah.
So, when building a car, what order should somebody build a car in? When it comes to paint, interior, motor?
You got the wrong person, bro. I'm here with my homies. They know all the questions about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
He pleads the fifth, FIF.
Okay. Bags or coilovers?
Part bad.
Bags? Why?
I don't know. They look better than me to me, purposely.
Now, in your opinion, you have cars, pretty sure you have a license. What's a common mistake that people make when trying to modify or hook up their car?
Probably not getting the right intel and the right information, doing the right research.
Yeah.
You know, just doing everything what people probably telling them or going on YouTube. Probably need to, you know.
Perfect, perfect. One more time, your name, and
Lamar.
obviously nobody can find you. So
Yeah, Lamar, nobody can find me.
for sure. Yeah, I appreciate your
No
time,
problem,
man.
bro.
Thank you.
What's your name and how can people find you?
My name is Will, and I'm from Fresh Upgrade. You can look us up on Fresh Upgrade. Literally, we're the only store with that name, Fresh Upgrade. You won't miss us.
Perfect. Now, when building a car, is there a proper order to build your car?
I would say no. It don't prefer on what you want to do with your car. I mean, a lot of people nowadays, they just do something to the car to fit in. I like some people, build your car the way you want it to be, because at the end of the day, it's your car. But most people, they're shy about it. They're like, oh, I need to do this first to do that because my friend has it done. So no, I'll say build your car how you like it, because at the end of the day, it's your car. You know, that's my personal opinion.
Because I know some people, they'll put in their interior and then rip it up because they have to put a sound system. So it's just like,
We see, if you plan it out how you want your car, it saves you a lot of money. Like me, I built my car like 6 times already because I keep changing the wrap color, and then oh, it doesn't match my wheels. Oh, let me product with the wheels. I don't like the wheels. Let's just change all the wheels. Oh, the brakes doesn't match. So you just gotta have a vision of what you want your end product to be in order for you to save money. But if you got it like that, you got it like that. You can have, because I know some people, they have 4 different sets of wheels, and I'm like, hey, you got it, you know?
What's a common mistake that people make when building their car?
Again, we go back to like fitting in, you know? They build it to other people's opinions instead of their own taste. That's something a lot of people do a lot. Build your car how you want it because it's your car. That's what people need to understand. It's your car, your own taste. If you don't fit in, it's okay. There's other people that are gonna appreciate your craftsmanship. Yeah.
All right, last question. Bags or coilovers, and why?
Coilovers.
Why?
I used to have bags, and oh man, every 6 months I would get a bag. When it rained, the temperature would change. One of my bags would give out. I'm not calling, you know, any brands, but like, I don't know. And the coilovers, they stay the same way all year long. If you want to change it up, come on, don't be lazy, jack it up, boom, boom, done.
Perfect. One more time, your name, how people can find you.
My name is Will from Fresh Upgrade, and look us up for Fresh Upgrade. We are a one-stop shop.
Perfect. Appreciate you.
All right, so tell me your name and how people can find you.
My name is Kelvin Shu. I work at DTM Auto Body and also Legends West Auto Care.
So first question is there a proper format or order in which to build a car?
Yes and no, but like usually for starters, most of them do with wheels, suspension, exhaust, that's what they usually start out with. Then afterwards, they usually work with either like a little bit more of the exterior, maybe a lip kit, or then afterwards, it just all depends on what they want to do and what they want to build. Are they more for performance? Are they more for aesthetics? But you know, overall, like I wouldn't say there is a real wrong way of which way to start, but it all depends on what you like better, I would say.
Whether you're doing show,
or doing a static build, or are you doing like in a VIP car, just or you're doing like a race track build. So it all depends. It's
So
different.
it varies.
Yeah, it varies. I would say it varies. Yeah.
And then what's a common mistake that people make when building a car?
Pretty much cheaping out, buying instant gratification. Every time you do an instant gratification part, like you don't want to save and you want to get something quick, you end up wasting money and you end up have to redoing that part again. So you know, at the end of the day, just save what you want and get what you want. That's it. So you don't have to redo it again.
Do it the right way first.
Yeah. When you redo, you lose money every time.
Right.
Yeah.
And okay, last question. In your opinion, bags or coilovers?
Depends. Bags definitely I would use for VIP cars, you know, for that. But obviously for a performance car, it's always going to be like, you know, a coilover with a cup kit.
Perfect. One more time, your name and how people can find you.
My name is Kelvin Shu. I work at DTM Auto Body and also work at Legends West Auto Care. We do PPF and ceramic coating and tints for Legends West, and for DTM Auto Body, we do auto work for a collision and also custom wide bodies, modification for aftermarket parts, and also we work with DDE also too.
Perfect. Use the cars right here?
Yes, sir.